Hey y'all, I know you're not used to seeing me in videos, but I wanted to just take this opportunity and say thank you to everybody that watches my videos, that have subscribed to my channel. If you're a viewer and not subscribed, I appreciate that as well. This video is basically about the future of my channel, and the views, I'm happy with the views. I mean, yeah, we all want more as creators. We always want more views. And I need you guys' help to help me figure out what I can do to keep you guys watching longer. And I'm speaking as a whole, okay? We get, as creators, we have all kinds of information provided by YouTube as far as how long you guys watch, what device you watch from. I mean, it's without going in depth. You know, we have a wealth of information given to us, and I know you're used to every video, every creator, no matter what kind of videos you watch. You know, you're used to being asked to subscribe, hit the bell, the like button, share, comment, do all the YouTubey stuff. And those things are important. However, the most important thing that YouTube looks at is how long you watch my videos. And for some reason, and this is why I'm coming on here today making this video. For some reason, my videos struggle to keep you guys watching more. Let me put it to you this way. My channel average, as far as watch time from viewers, and this is an average that's provided to us, is less than 30%. And that's across all the videos. That's an average percentage from the last 28 days and even the past 90 days. It varies like a half percentage point or a percentage point. Watch time is basically what can make or break a video. Okay? Because at the end of the day, that's what YouTube values. They want to keep people on the platform, and I want to keep you guys watching my videos. All right? Videos take a long time to make, and I know you've probably heard this before, but they take a long time to make. Sometimes, and it depends on the creator. There are creators that this is their job. This is how they make their income. I'm not fortunate enough to be one of those people. I run a business outside the home. So when I do get time to craft, I mean, it's not like I get up at, 6 o'clock in the morning and do my morning thing and then head out to craft and I can craft all day. I can't do that. So sometimes it takes me, it literally takes me days to put the DIYs together, to film. You guys have no idea how much I cut out of my videos to try to keep them from being boring. I've got to where I really don't film me painting anymore. Nobody wants to watch me paint. And so that I need to hear from you guys. What can I do to keep you guys watching longer? Is it the projects? Is it my way of presenting them? I don't know. That's why I need you to tell me. And I need you to be honest, because to be honest, for the past 3 weeks, and that's how long it's been since I've put out a video, the last video I put out was the Snowman Showdown video where I made the cute little snow baby. And it's really got me to questioning a lot of things. Like, it all boils down to me. I'm the one making the crafts. I'm the one deciding what to make. I'm the one that's doing the editing. And so it all boils down to me and what I can do to make your time more valuable so I can keep you guys watching longer, because that's going to benefit my channel in the end. That at the end of the day, that's what keeps a channel and videos circulating out there in the massive YouTube world. And I know I'm not everybody's cup of tea. Okay? I like to have fun in my videos, and that may not jive with some of y'all. I am who I am. I can try to be more serious and to the point and leave out, senseless chatter, as I've read on other creators' comment sections. And we creators, we do read what viewers comment on videos. And aside from negative, nasty comments, which I'm not going to get into because that's not a problem on this channel, and I appreciate that. But I do want your honesty. Watch this video. Tell me what I need to be doing differently to get you guys to watch longer, because it's killing my videos, and it's hurting my channel. And I don't, to be honest, if I can't hold somebody's attention for, let's say, 40% of a video, then all that work and time and effort editing, I do it all. I don't have a team that edits for me and makes the thumbnail, and it's all me, myself, and I. So if you guys could help me, let me know. Be honest, because I'm at a loss. I am truly, truly at a loss here on what to do to make my videos better and hopefully keep you guys watching longer. And I know there are viewers out there, because, as I said, I've read comments on other creators' videos that they will fast forward to the end of the video to see what the final projects look like, and if it's not anything that they're interested in, they click off. That man, it kind of hurts. It hurts your feelings. It makes you feel like I can't put it into words. I really can't. So yeah, I'm at a loss, and there are some tough decisions to be made by me, and I need y'all's input. What I can do. I know I cannot please everybody. Okay? But when I look at my analytics for my channel as a whole, okay, and my average percentage of any video viewed is less than 30%, it seriously makes me question, number one, should I even be doing this? And number two, what can I be doing better? And I seriously need to hear the truth. Okay? I'm always straight up with y'all. I show you my mistakes. I try to make my videos informative, but fun. Okay? Because I want y'all to have fun. Okay? I get it that not every project I make is going to appeal to everybody. I get that. Okay? We're all different. We all like different things. Please comment on this video and let me know things that I could do to keep you guys watching longer. Okay? Because watch time is everything in the YouTube world. Okay? And it makes me feel like I have failed and I've wasted my time spending days, literally days, putting a video together, making the crafts, doing the editing. It takes me personally hours to edit a video. I try to be I nitpick when I go in to edit. I'm not great at making thumbnails. Maybe, I don't know. Is my workspace too messy? Do y'all not like seeing that? I mean, let me know. Comment below, please. And let me know what I could be doing different to make the most of your time, like when you click on my video. Okay? I appreciate you all. Thank you for watching. I hope you've made it this far in this video. Okay? Because I'm beginning to question if I should even be doing this. So, anyway, thank you all. And I'm looking forward to reading your comments. Bye.